Hello, this is Spring Hill Fox, and I'm Scott. And before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell. Today's episode, affiliate marketing. What is it? Alright, affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's products. You partner with a company or individual who provides you with unique links to their products or service. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of sales as a commission. These are steps to get going on affiliate marketing. First, you want to choose a niche. The first step is to decide on a niche that you're familiar with or passionate about. This will help you create content around products or service in that niche. 2. Find affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, research different affiliate programs that offer products or service related to the niche. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ShopStyle, and ShareASale. And let's not forget ClickBank. Create valuable content. Create content that provides value to your audience. This could include products, reviews, tutorials, or guides. Be sure to include your affiliate link within this content. 4. Promote your content. Share your content on social platforms, blogs, or forums related to your niche. Engage with the audience and build a relationship with them. This will increase the likelihood of them clicking on your affiliate links and making a purchase. And number 5, track your results. Use tools such as Google Analytics or affiliate reporting to track your results. This will help you understand which content is driving the most clicks and sales, and you can make adjustments as necessary. The conclusion is affiliate marketing provides a great opportunity for anyone looking to make money online. By following these steps and constantly creating valuable content, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Just remember, like any business venture, success in affiliate marketing takes time, patience, and effort, and good luck.